Windows April 10th update ditches a number of features. This is what you lose if you upgrade. Microsoft is slowly rolling out its Windows April 10th update to users across the globe. But while the free upgrade brings a swathe of new functionality, it also ditches a number of features. The latest blockbuster Windows 10 upgrade, dubbed Windows April 10th Update, is finally available to users. The Redmond-based company staggers the rollout of its operating system updates to avoid putting too much strain on its servers. As a result, it may take a few days before Windows April 10th Update lands on your machine. Microsoft's latest operating system update brings a slew of new features, including the long-delayed timeline feature, updates to Cortana, as well as offline website and push notification support in Microsoft Edge. Windows April 10th update will also include a near share feature which works a lot like Apple's AirDrop as well as quick pairing for Bluetooth devices. But the April update not only adds new functionality to your computer, it also takes away some features previously available in Windows 10. After Microsoft killed off its Groove music streaming service last year, users are no longer able to stream music they do not own. While the Groove app still exists in Windows April 10th update, it is only capable of playing tracks stored locally or on OneDrive cloud storage. When users try to stream music they do not own, Microsoft suggests they download Spotify or another music streaming service. The Home Group feature, which enabled users to share files and printers over a home network, has also been removed. Microsoft has also removed the option to connect to suggested open hotspots in Windows 10's Wi-Fi settings menu. This infamous feature automatically connected the Windows 10 PC to any local networks without a password, which led to some voicing security concerns about the feature. Microsoft had previously disabled the feature, however, with Windows 10 April update any trace of the feature has been removed. Users will now need to manually connect to any open Wi-Fi networks. The People tab has also seen a number of features disappear with the latest free Windows 10 upgrade. Microsoft no longer includes unsaved contacts for non-Microsoft accounts. The Conversations part of the app no longer works when you're offline, and requires an Office 365 account. XPS Viewer is also no longer installed by default with Windows April 10th update. However, it is still possible to download and install the software from the Apps and Features control panel. Windows April 10th update is slowly rolling out now. If you can't wait for the new software to hit your machine, you can speed things along by following the instructions here.